back to my channel. So today I just want to show you a little bit more of the machine, give you a little bit tour and show you how I operate it. It's simple. What I really love is it has an express 15. If you compare maybe products in the market, I think this is really impressive because the lowest I've ever seen is at least 30 minutes with some kind of machine. So if express 15 means it will take 15 minutes to wash your cloth and rinse it. So this is really good. And for this I normally use when it's just light soiled clothes. Example, you've just gone to the office, come back, the clothes are not very dirty, so you can use express 15. It saves your time, it saves your energy consumption in terms of electricity, it saves your water, so it's a very good option. Also, what I like, there is zero noise from this machine. Also like using, most of the times I use mix because I do mix a lot of fabric, texture and material. But it has very many options. I've done duvet in this machine. It cleans perfectly, I must say. It's so good. So basically that's what I've been using so far. And yeah, of course it has so many options. If you have baby care for your babies, for wool, delicate could be if you want to wash something like the spot cloths, or you can even put it there, you know, because of the texture of the material and such like. So up to now I am impressed with the wash quality. It's so good, it's been perfect, simple to use, yet so gorgeous. Okay, so one impressive thing about the HAIER is it has a light. I'm trying to show you the bulb. This bulb, I will insert a night wash so that you can see what I'm trying to tell you. So this is a light and it comes in handy because you can imagine if you're washing in the night, you will not be able to see all the clothes, or you might just forget something inside here. But because of the light, so you can just see all your clothes when you're removing or you're putting, or when putting. Again, this thing that is protruding right here, this is a water jet for the steam option. It just jets water from that side. So these are the perks of using this machine. Really fancy, really modern in terms of just thinking ahead. Coming with this thing is just brilliant. Hi guys, so I want to show you the perks. Okay, and this is one of it. There's a light right here. It will be blurry, but there's a light here. So basically, if it's at night, you can put your clothes right in and you can easily see. So I'm not using any lights currently, it's just the light from this place. The light is here. Light goes on for I guess like a minute, and then when the process begins it just automatically goes off. So I just want to put this little cloths simply because I just want to show you how it works at night. So that's a very good thing, because with the light you can't miss anything. If you want to remove your clothes, you will not miss anything because there's a lot of light. Definitely you're not missing any socks or any cloth because there's enough light. Also, just to make your life easy. So yeah, that's HAIER at night. See how it reflects? It takes a few minutes and then it will go off. Just wanted to show you, then off it goes. There's a sound that comes just to alert you that your program is done. However, I was not fast to get that sound, but it alerts you and then your clothes will be done. So this is not it does not dry. However, if you can, I wish you could see, but it's almost like 80% dry because the spin is really fast, and when your clothes just come out of the washer, it just takes roughly 5 minutes in a very good sun and your cloth will be done. So I think that's a pack for it. It's a very nice thing. So yeah, it does so fast like that, and your clothes are almost just dry, because you can see I don't have any water and these clothes have just been washed. So it's just as good as the dry wash and dryer. So I'm good with it. Anyway, I hope you just got something. Let me know what you want to know or see or learn more about this machine, and I'll be happy to do so. I'm always not willing to disclose maybe the price. However, I will direct you to where you can buy. The reason why I don't like disclosing the prices is simply because someone out there may just say they bought the same machine for half the price, and that will give me a heart attack. So to save myself from any future problems, I just don't like disclosing the prices. However, I will show you where you can get a sample like this at a maybe affordable rate. Either ways, thank you for watching. Love you so much. See you next time. Bye.